Hi there, Travel 7 here, Rough Driver. Back again with another video. Today is like a day out actually. Nothing about bike, well it is about bikes today, but nothing about my bike today really. As you can see, this is Ramblers Rest. I call it Rambo's Rest really, but it's Ramblers Rest, but we have a little joke, me and Bob, when he comes down. They're all turning up now on their Triumphs and bits and pieces. It's more like a vintage meet actually. I'm in a nice location in Maidstone. Lovely scenic. All the bikes are coming in across the bridge. Liddy May there. It's going down again. Got quite a few trains through, so holds up, but you can see a few bikes building up now. Quite a few vintage bikes coming. But it's a lovely location to come for a bike meet. Yeah, it's in Kent, so if you ever want to come along and you're in Kent and you ain't far from Yalding, it's every Wednesday at the Ramblers Rest. Where they do food, you can have a beer, have a soft drink. No, I'm not getting paid by them. Just before you go on, like I say, it's a bike meet, and that's what they do. So, and they give out a few trophies, which I might have filmed tonight, for the best vintage bike and best bike. You know, I don't know. They got their categories. I don't know what the categories are. I can't remember. But I've never won a trophy, but my mate has. He keeps on winning. He's got a rocket. But like I say, I will turn this camera off and return a bit later when more bikes are in. Here we go. Filming the bikes that turned up today. It's a matchless.
Yeah, other than that, it works straight.
There's some of the bikes in, new and old.
The centre push rod, so it was slipping all the time. So we took the thing out, and she's thinking it was her. It wasn't her fault. It was just that it was never right to start. So now it's got a whole new clutch. They do with the bellows, they do a 5, a 7 and a 9 plate clutch. Yeah. All for the same fucking bike. But you've got to have that. Yeah. Put that in.
Greenfield XT 500.
Could have done, but it was the first year.
All right, Dave.
Gary.
Put them on now. You'll be on YouTube tonight. Nice turnout today, isn't it?
Good.
Oh, fizzy, isn't it? No, it's not. 125. It was a bloody fizzy. Caught me right on that one. That's nice. Nice try there.
last year.
One old Vincent there, but nice. That's nice, isn't it, this drive? Thunderbird, is it? Nice. What year is that, Mike? 65, is it? A bit early, I don't know. Nice, eh? HJS. Don't ask me to tell you what these are. The ballast are there. Nice. Come to the old two-strokes. Set of pipes on it. A lot of pipes. Oh, mate. Mate's Bob, his rocket. Oh, love Trump there. It's nice. Another Royal Enfield. Harley Davidson.
I'm not that fucking old. In my garage.
Enough of mine.
I've got to take this side off. You can
Sort of Ramblers rest here.
just had a new gear. What do you mean a new gear? Well, I've had to buy 3 new gears. You know how gears work? The gears mesh that right, but they also slide on the shaft. They go gold. Well, what happens is
It's a complete circuit. Complete circuit there. There's all my buddies over there. See we're internal.
This hitchcock's now, isn't it? It's the importer for entry.
Here they are all waving.
Yeah, so we've got the space there, that's it.
Trophy night. Gold wedding ring, eh?
Okay, right. Thank you. Which is really good. My choice for Best British goes to registration is 369UYU, which is a lovely Veloset. Who's the owner of that one?
Come on, right.
You're welcome, thank you. Right, and my governor's choice for Best Mother goes to... Oh, you've got it, well done, cheers. Stay with me. Right, my choice for Best Mother goes to HDE220D. Nice little Suzuki.
Oh, that one.
Who we got owns a Suzuki? Yeah. HDE220D? No.
He's over here.
Well done. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attendance here. We also thank the staff for looking after us. Hope you all have a good evening. We see you again. And ride safely. And please don't leave quietly. And everyone carry on upset again. Thanks very much, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.
Trophy night, that's ended. And Dave didn't win again. Catch you later. Signing off.